Hey everyone, for this video, I'll show you how to use the face morph effect on TikTok. With this tutorial, you will be able to follow this new trend and try it out yourself. The first step is opening TikTok. You will be taken to the For You page. The For You page is where recommended TikToks are shown to you. Let's go to the search bar at the top right corner of the screen and then search for what we're looking for, which is the face morphing effect or filter. So let's just find that and then tap on it. As you can see, many other people have used this, and all you have to do is just tap on use this effect, and now you can make a video and upload it with this filter. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.